Yeah, life a bit hurt me today. It was boxing. I was in a box training and got this bruises. So guys, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna do IELTS speaking test as usual and practice. I'm gonna practice my speaking another way. I'm gonna only share with you my day. What was the day today? Cause it was a really hard day at university and interesting. So many events happened. First of all, I got today speaking English practice 1 hour in the morning. I woke up at 8 a.m. and had an online meeting with my friends from America, from California, students, also university. It was sick, really. It was lit. You know what I'm saying? They taught me a bit American slang. They like the way they talk in there, like a wild, lit. The party was lit last night. Now I'm saying, but my favorite American slang, what I got on YouTube is lame. You know, it's lame. Drip, like I don't know, sneakers is drip style, something like this. Yo, what is your favorite American word slang? Leave the comment, guys. Thank you, by the way, my American friends. We got this conversation with Americans and then went to university. University first lesson English. In English, we were doing writing, writing essay hour, and the topic was truly interesting. It sounds like I'll try to recall, what do you think the best decade in the history? Like 10 years. What is the best 10 years in history on our planet Earth? And we had to think it over and express our opinion. I was talking about decades 2010 till 2020 because of some reason. First of all, I'm living in Russia, and exactly in this decade, in 2018, you know, I hope you remember what was in Russia. It was football World Cup. World Cup. When people from all over the world arrived to Russia. Brazilian, Mexican, Australian, European, African, everyone. And we were dancing on the street, we were chilling, spent great time together, like playing games, playing football, just enjoy the atmosphere. All the nations, all the countries were literally united. We were living like one idea, like football. They were not talking about politics, these dirty games, and there was no COVID, you know, COVID pandemic, this virus. It was normal, friendly world, such a kind atmosphere, summer, and actually, I've been to the stadium. Yeah, I visited 2 games. It was German against Sweden. I remember probably when Toni Kroos, he scores this incredible goal at the end of the game, and 2-1, German won. And then Russia against Uruguay. Russian lose, but no matter Russian lose. Atmosphere, it was lit. It was lit, bro. It was the first reason. The second reason why I decided that this decade, one of the best in history, is I thought about technology's progress. I'm talking about internet, smartphones, like gadgets, and I think exactly in these decades, it was staying in the great balance between, we already have a phone, internet, social media, like Instagram, everything. We can share photos, chatting with friends, music, everything in a really great level. Social media is great developed enough. And this social media internet, without TikTok, without YouTube Short, without Instagram Reels, and this kind of scrolling moments, you know, people don't have addictions. Children don't have addiction to the smartphones. There is no this healthy problem and psychological problems around society. I think internet, it was more kind, more friendly, more maybe communicatable. And social interaction was better. Like, it was great balance between social interaction, talking to the real people face to face, and talking in the internet, in social media. Okay, this is progress. Yeah, No, there is no this vibe. You remember this music we were published in 2015, this trance, internet trance. I really wish that I had the chance being in 2015 at the same age like I am right now. Like, I was too young. I had only 10 years old, 10, 12 years old in the best years. And no, that's not. If I would 20 that years, bro. Just I remember I'm going to the stadium and I see from Uruguay people near me, and I didn't mention it so like something incredible like Uruguay, nothing. But now I realized that, oh my gosh, it was real Uruguay people. So nostalgic. And after these philosophical issues, I went to physics, crystallography, and boxing. Finally, boxing. When I got bruises. And now I'm here, in the front of the camera, talking to you. With bread, gonna have dinner, bread, milk, classic. That's my classic. You know, you already saw this series, The Office, maybe reading a book. By the way, about reading a book, I was reading Around the World in a Days, Jules Verne. Book is not the same with the series, I didn't like it, and I decided to change the book, Tom Sawyer. Tom Sawyer, what I truly like. We read in this school in Russia, this necessary program, reading Tom Sawyer, and now I decided to reread it against in English, and I like this much more than Around the World in 80 Days. This is because this is a more lifestyle situations. Vocabulary is good, level not so high, I understand enough, and it helps me to enjoy the reading. Yeah, normal video, just realistic thoughts about this world. I love world, I love people from all over the world. Indonesia, you texted me in the comment, guys from Indonesia. Yes sir, hi Indonesia. I like, yeah, I saw the place in Indonesia in Google Maps. It's like incredibly beautiful. I can't describe it, but I'm gonna visit Indonesia 100% in my life. Obviously, Indonesia is nature. Fantastic nature, Indonesia. Yes. Share with me in the comments any your thoughts about this world, any questions. Yeah, let's learn language and live in a peaceful, friendly world.